What's up, everybody? DeAngelo here. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. And I wanted to make this video on outdated CPA marketing methods, right? Because a lot of people think that methods just die overnight, or they die because a website is no longer up, or whatever the case may be. They just think it just instantly just dies when that's not true at all. So, to put it in perspective, right? Because when for some reason when people come online, everything is out the window, right? You got unrealistic expectations, no common sense, nothing, right? It's common sense everywhere but in the affiliate marketing niche. For some reason, I don't know why. If you go to the gym and you work out super hard for like 12 hours straight, do you expect to have a six-pack by the end of the day? No, right? You're not gonna expect that. Like, come on, like if you tell anyone that, like, oh man, I just went to the gym, I put in 15 hours a day, and I didn't get a six pack. They're gonna look at you like, what are you, fucking stupid? Obviously, you weren't gonna get a six pack. You only put in one day's work, right? If you like even something as simple as playing a video game, if you put in a video game, you turn it on, and then like 5 minutes later, if you playing, you're like, damn, how come I haven't beat the game yet? Like, dude, it's been 5 minutes. Like, people have common sense everywhere, but when it comes to the affiliate marketing niche, people come into the affiliate marketing niche, they come to make money online niche, and they're like, oh, well, I put in 20 minutes. How come I'm not a millionaire yet? How come I haven't made my first dollar yet? How come I haven't, set up residual income to make thousands of dollars yet? Like, it makes no sense at all. Like, you have no experience. You didn't buy a course. You are just watching free YouTube videos. You signed up for an account and you did absolutely nothing after signing up for the account. Like, how would you even expect to make money? If you be like, oh man, I didn't go to work today at your offline regular job, would you get paid? No. If you do no work offline, you don't get paid. That's common sense. You do no work online, you don't get paid. That's a scam. Like, think about that. Like, how does that make any sense, right? So, to get back on track here, to put in perspective, when people say methods are outdated, and they just sound extremely fucking stupid, it's like saying, like, let's say your favorite store is Kmart, right? And, you're going to do some grocery shopping. And you roll up to Kmart and you're like, oh, damn, Kmart's closed down. Are you going to be like, oh no, this way of buying groceries is dead. Oh, this way of buying groceries is outdated. No, you're going to be like, that just sounds stupid. You're going to go up the street to the next Walmart or the next Kmart, or you're going to go to another grocery store. You're going to go to another store and buy your groceries. You're not going to sit there and starve to death like how people go and they'll be like, oh, this marketing method doesn't work anymore, and literally sit there and let their business die before it even gets started, right? So let's take another example here. So let's say Backpage, right? Everyone was using Backpage back in the day when they were up and running. When Backpage got shut down, basically all the people was like, oh man, this Backpage doesn't work. Oh, Backpage doesn't work. This website is down. That method doesn't work anymore. And then you fast forward to 2019, people still saying the same stupid shit. Literally, the day after, not even, it was a few hours later, the vacuum was filled instantly, damn near. All the people that were on Backpage went to the new website. Now, all the CPA marketer had to do was simply take his CPA offers and simply post them on the new website. That was it. All the same people, damn near the same identical website. All they had to do was use enough common sense to take their CPA offers and put them on the new website. But that didn't click for a lot of people. It just doesn't click, right? Like, take Craigslist, for example. Craigslist is an absolute gold mine right now. I'm making thousands upon thousands of dollars right now from Craigslist. And you know why? Because everyone left after they decided to charge three to like $12 per post, depending on where you post at. $3 to $12. That was all it took for people to quit. $3 to $12. There has never been a time where Craigslist has been more profitable than it is right now. But a lot of people just simply, oh no, that method doesn't work anymore. Craigslist now charges per post, so that doesn't work anymore. That means it works way better now. Because all the people, which is 99% of people that are not serious about making money, simply left Craigslist. You can go to just about any damn city inside Craigslist and search for making money online opportunity or search for some type of affiliate program. Guarantee you'll probably see one at the most. One. Other than that, boom, completely wiped off. Just like that. Gone. Right? Making thousands of dollars a month from Craigslist. And it's just a gold mine. People just simply aren't using it solely because it costs $3 to $12 per post. Like, just think about how little you took your business if you real life wouldn't even invest $3 to $12 in it. That's just sad, right? And that's 99% of people. So Craigslist, that's outdated. That doesn't work anymore. But again, these people aren't even like, you can clearly see that these two, I just explained how these two still work, but no, it doesn't work anymore. This method is outdated. Who's saying this? Obviously, if someone's saying this method is outdated, that doesn't work, and it still does, maybe you should think twice about listening to them. Because they're either telling you it doesn't work so you don't go do it and they don't want you to be successful, or they're saying it doesn't work and they truly believe it, which means they haven't even done it themselves. Which means they have no experience and no qualifications to even tell you. Right? So there are very, 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 very few CPA marketing methods that simply just don't work anymore. I can't think of any off the top of my head, but I'm just saying that just to cover my ass, right? If a website goes down, or if a price changes, or something like that, all you have to do is adapt. That is it. If it's something you can't change, you have to adapt. Like, take the Facebook what was it, the little Facebook ad campaign thing that they had going for a while. So basically, there was this little method that you can do with Facebook to get a bunch of penny clicks and stuff. Like right out the gate. And basically what you would do is you would go and you would set up your Facebook ad, and then you would just set your target up, so everything like normal. And then you would just set your traffic, your campaign to run for 1 hour. And then for some reason, I don't know if it was a glitch or whatever it was, personally, I don't think it works anymore. I haven't tried it for quite some time because you guys know I use Google Trends. So, we get all our traffic for free down there. But when it comes to this method right here, basically all you did was you just I don't know if it was a glitch or whatever. I haven't heard anyone talking about it for a long time, so I'm assuming it got shut down. But yeah, you do it, and then you just get a bunch of penny clicks and all the traffic that you would just receive in a day or something. Basically you were just getting a lot of fucking traffic. I mean, you was making literally tens of thousands of dollars, if not thousands, or thousands of dollars, about tens of thousands of dollars, literally in the course of an hour. But then your account would get shut down, damn near like that. So it was kind of like the trade-off, you would get a lot of money, but then your account would be dead and you could not use that account anymore. So it was one of those things. I would imagine they patched that shit up by now, you know what I'm saying? Because a lot of people was doing that. But yeah, so that was one of the things right there. Now that's something that actually does not work anymore. If you go and you try to, set up all your traffic and stuff like that and get a bunch of clicks and all that, odds are they're not going to be penny clicks. They're going to be full price clicks, So that's a method that's considered that would be something that's actually outdated because you can't do it anymore, right? You can't go, and there really isn't another platform you can just go and try the same thing. I mean, there are some platforms out there or whatever. You can try it and see if it doesn't, and see if it works, but odds are it's not going to. That might have just been a glitch or something that Facebook had alone, right? So you tried it on different platforms, it doesn't work. That would be considered an actual outdated method because you can't do it anymore. It's not like how Craigslist is. It's not how Backpage is and stuff like that. It's just the Backpage and Craigslist. Literally, you just take the methods you were doing on those websites and put it and use them on other websites. With something like this is something you actually can't duplicate on another website. That means that method is no longer working, and then that means what the method is outdated. That simple. Another example would be forums, right? A lot of people oh man, they find a good forum site, and then the forum site, just gets shut down because a lot of those sites don't get a lot of traffic or whatever. And then boom, they're like, oh no, the website doesn't work anymore. Or this forum site doesn't work anymore, which means no forum marketing works anymore. That's not true. Again, that's something as simple as going to another website. That simple, right? So rant over. I just want to show you guys that that all you have to do is simply apply the outdated method to a new website and then tweak it. That's it. That's all you got to do 99% of the time. If it's an actual outdated method, it's something that doesn't work at all anymore. Like I said, with the whole Facebook thing here, that doesn't, to my knowledge or whatnot, because again, I haven't tried it for a long time, but I would imagine that got patched up by now. But that doesn't work at all anymore, right? That's something that can't be duplicated. That's outdated because you can't do it anymore. Again, not unlike the other websites, but that's pretty much it. Don't forget to like, subscribe. If you got any questions or comments or, an outdated method or whatever, just comment it down below. Start a little discussion or something like that.